Hello and welcome back to another video. I am Harish, and in this channel I talk about various no-code tools using which you can create mobile apps or websites or even build automations and probably make your own business out of it or create a startup or pretty much anything like that. And in this specific video we are going to learn how to build a job board or a job listings platform without again having to code at all. And for that we are going to use Pori.io and Airtable. If you've missed out on another video that I recently did on how to create a product hunt clone using the same two tools, do check that out in the iCard above or in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. If you are not familiar with Airtable, I would call Airtable as Google Sheets on steroids. Yes, you heard that right, because in Google Sheets you can store data in various formats and create graphs out of the data you have in the sheets, right? And with Airtable you can do pretty much out of the same, but along with that you can build automations, you can create workflows, you can create 4 or 5 different views of the same data, and you can basically run an entire company through Airtable if I would go ahead and say that. So Airtable account is a must for this demo. So have an Airtable account and also Pori.io account, and once you have both of them, let's get started with building the job board. And why would you want to build this job board, right? Some of the use cases that I was thinking when I wanted to make this video were, let's say you want to create a sector specific job listings website, or if you are running an entrepreneurship cell in your college and you want to have the jobs that are going to be available for all the students in the college in the coming placements drive or something like that, you can create this one and make it very specific for your college, right, or university. Or if you're running a community and you get a lot of requests from companies, startups asking for specific profiles of people that they want to hire, this is probably the best idea for you to create for your community as a subdomain, right? You can say jobs.yourcommunityname.com or something like that, and have this listing in place, right? And you can also crowdsource the submissions of jobs, right? So let's say somebody else also wants to be part of this website that you've created and hire people from your community, then they can also do the same by submitting to your website, right? And let's say you run a company and probably it's a small startup, I'm assuming, and you want a page where you want to list all the jobs that are available in the company, and you don't want to run behind the developer continuously asking them to create the careers page. You could go ahead and do that right away from here with just one Airtable account and a Pori account, right? So here is the video for you, for all these people, or even if you have some other ideas around what kind of job board you want to create for you as well. So before we started, right, make sure you have Pori.io account and also of course Airtable.com account. Both are freemium and you'll be charged if you exceed certain usage, so make sure you are aware of that and you don't expect that this is 100% free. So let's quickly go into the demo. Continuing from my previous video, you can already see that we have a product hunt clone. I'm just going to create site, and then you may know by now, if you've seen my previous video, that you'll be presented with a bunch of options and templates, and the first one is obviously the jobs board template. So I'm going to click that and click on next, and I'm going to just name it job board clone to keep this video simple. And yeah, once we do that, it'll give you the preview of the website already, and it'll also say set up Airtable. So as you are already aware, we'll go ahead and set up Airtable, and if you want to customize any of these options, you can hover over them, edit, click on edit, and directly edit them. And yeah, you can just say job board clone, have a nice catchy description, one-liner, and then this is where the job submission form is already embedded. You can customize this if you want to have a different link by removing just this piece, right? The src piece is where the form link is. You can, if you want to embed a different form, you can do so, right? So yeah, you can customize all of these. You can change the button, you can change the color of the button, the background color, everything is customizable on this. And I'm going to quickly click on setup Airtable, And as you are already aware, if not, Airtable Pori.io gives you a default template which you can customize, right? I would highly recommend you use that if you don't have or don't know how to use Airtable. So I'm just going to click on copy template. It will open the airtable.com account. If you're not logged into airtable.com account, go ahead and log in, and from there you will be able to see the job board base here, right? So I'm just going to click add base, and you will see that the template will get added here. We already have a discovery template. This is the job template. Now if you click on this, you can see three different tabs: site content, filters, and posted jobs. Posted jobs are the ones that people submit. Filters are the ones using which you can filter on the website. Here we are in this example, there are location based filters and also job type filters. So two types of filters there are, and in the site content you can see that these two types of filters are used in two different columns, where there is full time and contract as filter 2, and locations in filter 1, simple. And then we have the description, the logo of the company, the call to action URL, which is usually where people go to apply, and then what is the subtitle and the title of the role of the job, right? That's pretty much what the database is. If you want to customize, go ahead and customize any of these, and you can add additional columns as well. That will not break the website. You can just select the column in the Pori.io dashboard based on what new columns you've added. So here I'm going to just add the share link. So I will click on share in this template that we just created, and then we will have to just copy the link. So I'm going to invite, yeah, we'll have to enable a read-only link here, and once that is done, you can just copy this, go back to this, paste it here. Oh, sorry. And then once you paste it, you'll get the filters that are available, and then you select site content, and then you can select pretty basic stuff, right? How many jobs you want to show on the first glance, how do you want to sort them, do you want to sort them by field? Yes, let's see how to sort them. For this example, we'll probably use the full-time and contract filter as how we want to sort them, and then you can also add additional filters, right? So I'm going to add the filters tab directly here, and then save and continue. And through the next two steps, you can customize how you want the look and feel of this to be. You can click on appearance if you want to customize the colors, and if you want to change the dimensions of the logo that is shown here, and how it is shown and where it is shown, etc. And then the card template, of course, there are multiple layouts that you could try. So these are all the layouts. Current one is this is the product hunt layout that I used in the previous example, and you can obviously customize any of these, but we'll leave it like this because this is much more simpler, where there is the title, there is the company name, and clicking on show more will show the details of the job post, right? Clicking on apply will take them to the call to action link that is there in the database, and then I'm going to click save and continue without touching any of this. Feel free to customize this, play around, and make it your own, right? And then once I click submit, as you can see, there was no option available in the detail view because the details are already available here instead of a separate page, so those are not available. And yes, that's it. The site is ready now, as you are probably aware. If not, just click on view site and it will ask you what custom domain you need. In this case, I want to do job board clone and create the domain. If you want a custom domain, you'll have to upgrade your plan and pay monthly. So I clicked on view site, and our job website should be ready. That's it. So don't forget that all the links for all the tools that I'm talking about and the Airtable base also will be linked in the description. Once you create the Pori.io account, you'll get the Airtable base link. But in case you're missing that, you can find it in the video description below. And as I mentioned before, if you want to upgrade to do things like customize the domain and have a membership plan where people can probably create an account on the website, if that is something you want, then you'll have to upgrade your Pori account. So don't forget that, and drop a like if this was useful. Consider subscribing if you're interested in no code, and also if you know anyone who is trying to find developers and has a bunch of ideas, send them here, because my channel is all about building stuff without coding. Thank you for watching. Peace.